I'm Kristen Hall with Energize Nutrition, and I'm here to offer you some personal training in the kitchen, helping you to strengthen your culinary muscles. Hi there, I'm Kristen Hall, and I'm going to show you how to make a white chocolate berry power oatmeal. So to get started, gather all your ingredients. So take half a cup of large flake oats and add in 1 cup of water into a pot and stir and heat. Okay, so you can see that about half of the water has been absorbed by the oatmeal. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to add in 1 raw egg. And as soon as I add it in, I'm going to mix it in really quickly so that the egg gets really distributed. So you can see there that I've added in the whole egg and I've mixed it in. And so I'm not going to get large chunks of egg in my oatmeal. It's just going to be nice and blended in there. But what's happened now is that I've added in some extra protein in there, and you're hardly going to notice it. So I'm going to let that cook for another 5 minutes just to make sure that egg is cooked, and we're going to have a nice creamy oatmeal. Okay, so it looks to me like the oatmeal is cooked. So what I'm going to do is add it into my bowl. So we're adding in the oatmeal, and then we're going to make it nice and yummy. We're going to add in some frozen berries. I'm going to add in some white chia seeds. I'm going to drizzle in some peanut butter. This is a natural peanut butter. You can see it's nice and runny. And the star of the show, some white chocolate chips. This is gonna make a ooey gooey breakfast. So how good does this look? This is gonna be a delicious way to start my morning, and it's also gonna be fantastic and delicious. I'm Kristen Hall with Energize Nutrition. Thanks for cooking with me. And remember, you can become a healthier version of yourself. Just take it one bite at a time.